Hello friends, let's talk about today's essay. So the topic that I'm going to take today is, in the past, people made better use of their free time than they do today. So to what extent do you agree or disagree? To what extent do you agree or disagree means you need to mention the very first, do you agree with the statement or disagree? If you agree, to what extent, like you want to agree fully, you want to agree partially or large extent. Okay, and the statement is, in the past people made better use of their free time, means whatever the free time they used to be getting in past, so they were using this time nicely with might be a lot of planning or something. Better use means a lot of planning. Okay, so what I would like to discuss for this topic, actually I'm going to disagree to large extent. So when I say I disagree to large extent means I would say that in past people were not using their time nicely, their free time nicely. However, these days they have a lot of planning, they have a lot of options to use their free time, their spare time or their leisure time constructively, nicely and efficiently. Okay, but before going to take it quite in detail, I would like to share one more thing, that this topic is a kind of topic that acquire a lot of the different viewpoint. Now it again depends on you. Some people think that you might think, right, that in the past people were using it nicely. However, in present people waste their free time. They have a lot of free time and they keep on staying glued to their mobile screen, they keep on staying glued to their laptop screens, wasting their time, might be watching videos on YouTube, they might be wasting their time chatting on Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, taking their selfies, posting it again and again. So there are so many activities when people think, okay, these days they are wasting their time, and in past whatever they were doing it quite fruitful. Okay, so it's up to your choice. If you want to have that, if you want to write in that that viewpoint, in that perspective, that's perfectly fine, but make sure you stick to one particular idea once you start writing. You shouldn't get deviated from your own thoughts, you shouldn't get confused from your own thoughts, so stick to that. Fine. So me, like if I talk about myself, I'm going to stick to that particular point, that okay, I disagree to large extent and I really appreciate the lifestyle that we people are enjoying today, and we think that we are leading a better life than past. We are having a lot of free time, and whatever the free time we are having, might not be having in fact a lot of, but we are utilizing it quite nicely. Now how and why we are utilizing it nicely? The very first point we have is, in the contemporary era, means in the modern time, or in these days, nowadays people have multifarious opportunities to constructively utilize their spare time. Multifarious means a lot of, so many, various. So these days people have that various opportunities to utilize their free time, their spare time. Spare time means free time, and to utilize it constructively. Constructively means learning something better, doing something better, as full of productivity. And what they are doing is, so what they are doing, actually they are going to enhance their skills and social skills. So how they enhance the social skills? They learn different languages. They learn different languages and they widen their mental horizon. So when I say they widen their mental horizon, they are becoming more intelligent, more knowledgeable. So there are so many channels on YouTube wherein they learn the different languages of the world that are spoken at the different corners. So in that way they keep in touch with the people who are living over there with the help of social media platforms like Facebook, WhatsApp is there, then Instagram is there. So in that way, whatever they are doing, they are actually doing for the betterment of their own personality. So whatever they were earlier and whatever they are now, they have become a better version of themselves. They know many languages, and these many languages make them a better person. Then they can help anybody, they can adopt, they can grab job opportunities. Okay, so in that way they enhance their social skills and they can develop global communication. So whatever they are doing, actually they are doing better, useful and effective, rather than sitting idle and just gossiping. So this is what they are doing now with the help of technology, and they know how to use it. They are tech savvy. So becoming tech savvy, they use it in quite useful and productive manner. Second I'm going to talk about is they hone their skill. Hone means improve. So when you say that whatever the skills they are having, they are going to improve it in fact better, such as cooking. So there are various skills like cooking, singing, dancing, art and craft, and so many. Might be learning any game, board game also. So they are going to develop, they are going to hone these skills. Okay, so they relish their life fullest as per their own choice and taste. So earlier, if I talk about in past, what used to be having, people were not having any kind of entertainment object, entertainment tool at home, and even if they were having, they were only having one television, and that one television used to be telecasting, that very minimal number of entertainment programs. So people were having nothing for themselves. But these days we are having so many of television channels. We have, everybody's having their personal mobile phone. So whatever they are doing for their own pleasure. They are not going to making sacrifice, they are not going to make compromise for other family members, that if one is watching the television, like one is watching news channels, so other family members also have to do the same. So obviously they were doing in their free time, everybody was watching television, everybody might be watching some soap operas. Soap opera means family drama serials, television serials, right? Since it was not of their interest, but they had to do it because they had no other option. Okay, but now what they are doing these days, everybody has their own devices, so they spend their time according to them. If I talk about children, they can watch cartoon programs. Okay, that's really making them more knowledgeable because they learn so many things into that. If teenagers are there, so they can watch movies, they can watch comedy programs. It improves their sense of humor. Okay, then they learn problem solving skills also. Then they watch adventurous programs that fill them with a lot of risk taking abilities. So risk taking is again a positive trait to secure better opportunities for future, right? And if you are adult, you can get to know what is happening all around the world. Might be your business related affairs. You can you can get to know what is happening in the world with the help of news channels. And old age people or the senior citizens, they can watch so many religious programs. So whatever they are doing for themselves. And if they want to learn something new, they need not to seek help, they need not to run around. They can improve their own skill set. They can improve their own skill set by sitting at home in their own free time and might be free of cost without paying anything. Okay, so this is how they are using, they are making the better use of their time. They are learning something fruitful, they are learning something attractive and imperative. Okay, so we can give an example also of any examples, because there are so many singers, there are so many dancers, so who have learned all these dance moves by watching televisions in their free time, or might be by watching YouTube videos in their free time. And later on, when they learn these things nicely, they might join some dance academy. The next I would talk about is time management. So time management helps to utilize leisure time sagaciously. Sagaciously means wisely. So they plan their time. In past, what happened was people were not having so many activities, so many chores to do. Since they had a lot of free time, so time management was not needed actually at that time. Okay, but now since both ladies and gents, like male and female, they both are working, so they have so many activities, though so many responsibilities. They have to look after all their family affairs, family chores, household chores. At the same time, they have to work at their workplaces, so they are sharing their responsibilities with each other. So whatever the free time they have, might be they are having less free time as compared to ancient time, as compared to past years or yesteryears. But whatever they are doing, they are utilizing it nicely, they are utilizing it wisely, sagaciously, with the help of time management skills. So whatever the free time they have, they might be having their weekends off. So in weekends, they generally go for traveling around the city, might be in different places. Then they spend time with their family. Whatever they are doing, they basically spend a quality time. It is not you all are sitting together and doing nothing. They basically have a conversations with each other, so something productive they are doing. Then they improve their personality, so personality development things that they learn. Then at the same time they work for their career progression, how to get promotions, and also develop their own skill set related to business. So this is how they have a target, they have a goal in their mind. This is what they want to learn, and technology has given them wings to fly that they were not having in past days. And if I talk about past, so in past majority of work was done manually. There were not machines available, so people were doing everything by hand. And when they were doing everything by hand, basically it might be considered that they are free because they are not doing something very important, but at the same time they were busy in doing these tasks. Okay, so resulting into little time. Little means they were having very less time for free or for leisure activities. And in fact, when they were having free time, they were having nothing substantial to do. Even the selection of activities was quite narrow. Selection was quite narrow means they were having very few activities to do. Generally, time was spent on discussing each other's life, family affairs, rather than learning something new. So they used to be, that sitting together and talking about what is happening in their family and all. So these kind of things they were discussing, or whatever they are doing, might be they are doing some household activities. And if like people, the males, they were sitting together, they might be playing some board games, they might be playing cards, they might be talking about, what is happening in their city and all. So this is what they were doing in free time. No doubt they were having a good time to spend. They were having a lot of peace of mind because the competition rate was quite less at that time. Life was actually easier. Why? Because people's requirements, people needs, people desires were limited. But now, since sky is the limit, people need to utilize their time nicely. People need to maintain everything in a better balanced way, and this is what people are doing. Okay, so I won't say that they are wasting their time. Actually, the modern generation, they are using their free time quite nicely, effectively, and they are obviously learning things that will be helpful there for their future, or that would stimulate their future progress. Okay, so I hope this topic is clear to you now, and you have a clear reason what should be written, and you'll be writing it. But yes, still, if you have any doubt in writing this topic, don't hesitate to ask your queries in the comment section. I will surely answer all your queries. And if you like this video, kindly like it, subscribe the channel, and share it with your friends, so they can also learn about these kind of different topics that they might not be having an idea all of a sudden. Okay, so keep learning with me. All the best.